Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now, today in a computer subject, we are going to start our next chapter 6, the keyboard. A keyboard is the most important part of a computer. It consists of a number of different set of keys that help us to enter information into the computer. A standard computer keyboard has 104 keys. We can type numbers, words, and characters by pressing these keys. The first six characters of the first row, the alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Therefore, the keyboard is also known as the KWERTY keyboard. The next is alphabet key. Look at the keys given in the figure 6.1. There are 26 alphabets key from A to Z. They are not present in the alphabet order. These are used to type words, sentences, or paragraph. The alphabet keys are placed in such a manner so that user can work fast. Now next is number keys. The number keys are used for typing numbers. They are present above the top row of the alphabet key. The number key are also present on the right side of the keyboard. They are collectively called the numeric keypad. To use this keypad, press numlock key once. The numlock indicator light will turn on. Now you can type the numbers. Next is special key. स्पेशल की में फर्स्ट है स्पेस बार की. The longest key on the keyboard is known as space bar key. It is used to give blank space between letter and numbers. If you want to type full name such as Kabir Nanda, type the first name Kabir, press the space bar key and then type Nanda. The second one is caps lock key. The caps lock key is used for typing alphabet in capital letter. Third one is backspace key. The backspace key is used to erase a character to the left side of the cursor. After that, fourth one is shift key. The shift key is used to type the special symbol and the punctuation mark present on the upper part of the keys. It is also used to type the alphabet in capital letter when a caps lock key is turned off. Next is enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. It is also used to send command and instruction into the computer's memory. Next is symbol key. The symbol keys have special character on them. They are typed with the help of shift key. They are located on the upper part of number keys. After that, tab key. The tab key allows to cursor the jump 5 space forward. Then function keys. There are used to perform the specific task. They are present on the topmost row of the keyboard. labeled as F1, F2, F3 up to the F12. These keys have different functions for different programs. Now let's see the function of each and every keys. First is cursor control key. The work of cursor control key is these keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. The row marks are meant for the choosing the direction. It means left, right, up or down. They are also called as the arrow key. Home key. Home key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the line. End key. End key is used to move the cursor to the end of a line. Control plus home. This key is used to move the cursor to the top of the document. Control plus and. These keys are used to move the cursor to the bottom of document. Now page up. This key is used to move the cursor or page up by one screen. Page down moves the cursor or page down by the one screen. Delete key. Delete key is used to erase the character to the right of the eraser or the selected text. Insert. Turn the insert mode on or off. When the insert mode is on, you can insert the text at the cursor position. When it is off, the text that you type replace the existing character. आज का लेसन यहीं पर खत्म होता है पर if you have any doubt then you can ask us, call us. Thank you for watching this video.